Today I'm gonna be wearing this extra weight and fat suit for a day to have a sense of what it's like to be an overweight person.
Hey Jose, every time you complain, you gotta pay me $100.
That's fine, this is light work, bro.
Bro, you are not gonna make it the entire day.
Screw that. I don't have any clothes that fit, so I asked Thomas for some extra clothes. I mean, this gotta fit, right? I can't see under my belly, bro. My God. Every little action that you take for granted, like getting dressed, is a legit workout. Oh my God. Okay, all right.
Hey man, if you're gonna live like a big person, you gotta eat like one too.
I like this guy. All right, I'll take the challenge. Whatever you eat, I'll put down. Light work. Yo, let's go get clothes, man. These things are falling on me. Jonathan, I knew this was coming. What's up?
Hey Jose, I just got breakfast. I got like 6 donuts.
Wait, did you just say 6 donuts? Hey, we gotta find like a Dunkin' or something. I'm gonna regret this. I know it. I hate donuts. Bro, 6 donuts for breakfast? Here we go. 2 more. What if I'm out of breath because of the weight or because of the eating?
Damn it.
Oh my God. All right, boys, we're gonna get some fitness clothing, right, to work out. We're gonna work out. We made it to the big and tall store. It's the first time I ever walk into one of these stores. We just need some clothes because I look ridiculous. Yo, I need to take a seat. Let's make this quick. I need jeans, some stretchy jeans. At this point, I don't even care about style, honestly. I look like a substitute teacher. But you never know what it's like to actually work out as a big guy.
You always told me to do a pull-up. Let's do a pull-up.
If I get it done, you gotta get it done.
You won't get it done.
Ready? Does that count?
Have a chin up.
Oh my God. I'm like, the elevator's broken. Ain't no problem. Just do the simple things. This is easy work. I'm just gonna take the stairs. Ain't no problem. A few steps. Ain't no big deal. All right, never mind. I'm starting to burn a little bit. I can't let them pet me. Good morning, my ass. At my peak, you couldn't have taken me. All right, let's do this. No more complaining. Never mind.
Every time you complain, you gotta pay me $100.
Ain't no way. Let's go. One step, 1 foot in front of the other. I'm not quitting. Oh, thank God. I'm firing whoever came up with this idea. Wait. It was me.
Hey Jose, I have my lunch.
Is that 4 sandwiches? Ham. Oh my God. All right. How do you do this? I feel like I'm about to puke. Remember how I was giving away a $60,000 custom Tesla? Well, this is Giovanni. He's the winner. My man, bro, not only does he look good in essentials. You ready, Giovanni?
Yeah, let's do this.
Yo.
Dang, bro, this is crazy.
I always said that whoever got this car, I wanted it to be somebody right, somebody that was gonna enjoy it. And my man, look, this thing is clean, bro. Yeah.
Dang, bro, this is so clean, bro. Like no cap, bro. I was in the market for a new car because my car broke down 2 weeks ago, no cap.
Yo, I'm glad it's going to you, bro.
So for every point I make against you, I get $100.
But if you don't make any, what do I get? Easy work. Let's go. Damn. God. I'm 6'2", bro. This man's like 5'5". Ain't no way he just stuffed me.
You done?
I'm lightheaded. Without this weight, you wouldn't be running past me. Shoot outside. Shoot outside. That's it. 100. I'm never making fun of him for being fat again. Yeah. How far is it? Wait, give me a second.
Closest one's like 3 miles.
Damn. So I always say,
You want to get into shape? Start with simple exercises.
it's the little things, right? Like take those little actions. We could Uber, or we could walk. This was not the smartest idea after a basketball game. All right. Yo, one pause. I'm lightheaded. Like I'm legit lightheaded right now. Yo, my ankles hurt, bro. I ain't walking no 3 miles. Caleb had to come pick us up. I'm gonna enjoy this food right now. Oh, that's not bad. That's not bad. That's not bad.
Wait a minute.
3. Now I can pull out more.
That's gonna be hard. Can I do a girl's push-up?
You can do a girl push. Wait a minute.
There you go.
All right. All right. Yo, I got it, man. It cannot be that healthy to move this intense with this much weight. Yo, and I'm athletic, like. Man, I know I mess with you all the time about this, but like, to go into the gym and just get skinny really overnight, like, I get it, man. I just lasted a whole day as an obese person. I knew this challenge was gonna be hard, not like this. Putting on all this weight and living with it, it just opened my eyes to a lot of things. I used to always tell people, like, start training, start losing weight, but it's not that easy when you're literally living with it 24/7. I wanted to quit so many times during this challenge. I just wanted to rip this weight off. This doesn't mean by any means that you should not try to lose weight. This is just for me and for anybody watching to be more empathetic of those that are heavier. And for those that are heavier, like, take it one step at a time. I know it's gonna suck. Like, literally, I know it's gonna suck, but it's gonna be worth it at the end.